Good morning guys, today we've got here Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 and let me show you how to activate developer options. So once you want to get access to developer panel, you have to enter the settings, then scroll all the way down and click on About Tablet. Here click on Software Info, mark build number 7 times, and as you can see, developer mode has been enabled. So now you just have to scroll a bit lower and developer options are right here. Click to open, scroll all the way down to check all the features, obviously use whichever only you want. And when you want to turn developer panel off, just unmark the stop switcher. And that is all. As you can see, they disappeared from here. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.